I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place. Install Xcode and accept the license because the compiler and debugger depend on it. Once done, enable command line tools in Preferences locations so terminal builds work. Create a new project using the command line tool template and choose C++. This scaffolds a main. CPP for you. Make sure to name the project and set a convenient folder. Organization prevents confusion later and lets you run builds and tests immediately. You now write and configure open main. CPP and implement a minimal int main, include IOStream and add a few test prints so you see output. Then check the top toolbar and pick the correct scheme, debug versus release, and target my Mac for local execution. Once configured, build with product build or press CMD+B. Errors appear in the Issues Navigator. If you hit a warning, fix it. If you hit an error, read the pane for the file and line to correct syntax or include mistakes. You finish by running and debugging. Press CMD+R to launch. The console shows a steed out. To inspect behavior, set breakpoints in the gutter and use step over or step into to trace execution. Watch variables in the variables view to understand state. When happy, change scheme to release to optimize. If something goes wrong, linker, header not found, or wrong standard, check build settings for include /search paths, ensure C++ standard is correct, and confirm the target platform to quickly resolve the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.